hope everyone had a great day today. Mine was a little bit of a shit show, but it's okay. Not every day can be perfect, you know? My spaghetti got kind of cold, so I'm going to go warm it up and I'll be right back. I'm back. Hopefully that made a difference. Now it looks like it's too hot. This is how my day has been. All day. This came out really good. Fast food is fun and all, but there's nothing like a home-cooked meal. And this is whole wheat pasta and Italian turkey sausage. Salad is just pre-bagged like salad blend with sunflower seeds, pine nuts, and dried cranberries and some croutons. Dressing is so good. Always making a mess. Olives. I don't know when I started doing this exactly. I think I had a friend when I was younger do it while I was at her house. And then I tried it. It's like the best thing ever. If you like olives. That is the best. This is so good after the day I've had. So I woke up, not in the best mood. I guess I could sense that it was gonna be kind of a ridiculous day. Made my son some breakfast. Then we got ready to go and run some errands. Errands went fine. Stopped to get some gas, fill up with gas. So then we are trying to leave the gas station, go to put the car into gear. The gear shifter moves, but the car is stuck in neutral. Granted, I live in Florida. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I have a baby in the back seat who we're trying to get home for lunch. Won't move. Like, the car will not get into gear. So we had to call our mobile mechanic. It took him like 20 minutes to come get us. Luckily, we called him just at the right time because he was on his way to another call. He gets there. We're thinking it's like the transmission. Like, we're thinking like worst case scenario. Luckily, apparently like there's like a little plastic like disc like where the gear shift is. Like, he had to rip apart the inside of the car to get to it. Just a little plastic thing snapped. So luckily he had a replacement in his car. Took him about 20 minutes to change it. Meanwhile, my son is in the back seat, hot, losing his shit. We replace it, we go, we have to stop by the post office. The whole time, my son is just, he's done with everything. Like, this ruined his whole day. So he screamed all the way through the man fixing our car to the post office, all the way home. We get home. He's now so upset that he doesn't want to eat his lunch. So I'm doing my best to try to calm him down. And just for the rest of the day, his day was ruined. I got him to eat a quick dinner. Even putting him to bed was a fight. And then, you know, like, that just ruins my day. Like, when he's in a bad mood like that and there's nothing I can do to fix it, like, it just dampens my day, because as a mom, you kind of feel like you failed him in a way, because you can't, there's nothing you can do for him. I put on Peppa Pig, that's what he's obsessed with. Nothing would calm him down. So luckily, he had a big dinner, and he's asleep now, and so now I'm getting to relax, but it was a hectic day. So that was my day. I keep shaking the table. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I hope that you guys had a better day than I did. Luckily, I will say we are super happy that, like, there wasn't a huge issue with the car, because it could have been worse. So I am grateful for that. But worst timing ever. But everything's fixed now. Boyfriend is at work. I need like a higher tray for this. Right now, my food is on top of one of my son's like toy bins, just turned over. So it's a cheesy garlic bread and Texas toast. So good. I love spaghetti. Like just traditional spaghetti. I haven't made Alfredo in a long time. I should. Like a shrimp Alfredo. My cat wants some. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.